He's not nominated by other countries. The law allows another country to nominate you. He's nominated by Uganda, the state of Uganda, to contest for the position of Secretary General of the United Nations. And he's racing with a few, I think there are 8 in the race. I am 70 years old. I remember vividly from 1962, I was then 6 years old, then through to today, many things that happened in Uganda. In case you do not know our people, I know not of anything that has united Ugandans like the nomination of Ambassador Olara Otunnu to contest for the position of Secretary General of the United Nations. I do not. Ugandans have spoken with unanimity, one voice, across tribes, across religious affiliation, across political affiliation. That yes, the nomination of Ambassador Olara Otunnu is very well deserved. It's very well deserved. I do not know when, maybe somebody will remind me that on this you also spoke with one voice. The Katikkiro of Buganda, speaking for the Kingdom of Buganda, speaking for Buganda, that is the voice you should listen to. Said Olara Otunnu is a worthy choice. It's the best choice. It's one of the right things the President of Uganda, Yoweri Museveni has done. Across political parties, Uganda People's Congress, Democratic parties, party of Norbert Mao, no, the one of Chabolani, I forget his other name. No, yes. They have all issued statements that when it comes to Olara Otunnu, it's the best choice that not only Uganda but humanity could have for the position of Secretary General. As is human nature, there are people who are wayward. There are people who believe the sun rises from the west